TI Campus at numbers 2 and 3, 18th Street, West Bahak-Bahak, Olongapo City, near the Subic Passenger Jeep Terminal. You may also call or text 0920-2858-170.
Basta Radyo, ipandera mo!
107.1 News FM, Olongapo.
Basta Radyo, ipandera mo!
All right. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. You guys heard the song from Goo Goo Dolls. It's called Iris. I-R-I-S. It's now already a timeless classic. Diba? And just before that one was the band Faster Pussycat with a song called House of Pain. Back-to-back request. 107.1 News FM, Olongapo City, Radyo Bandera. Alright, and happy listening muna sa yung mga nakikinig sa atin via the Facebook live streaming. If you guys wanna view us live, alam ko iba sa inyo, karamihan sa inyo nakikinig sa radyo, no? Hindi lang kami live sa radyo, live din kami sa Facebook. Just look up our official Radyo Bandera Facebook page. Ayan, makikita nyo dun, ha? Yung ating live video. And nandiyan dyan ngayon, nakikijam sa atin sila happy listening sa inyo, ha? Si Kuya Jepro. Alright, Kuya Jepro, hi! How you doing? Si Kuya Bin Quijado. Always naman nakikinig sa atin yan. Nakatunin lagi. Si Kuya Bin Quijado, all the way from, taga saan nga ba? Angeles. Ayan, taga Angeles to eh. The City of Angels. Pati na rin si Ramil Ignacio. Happy listening to you, Ramil. John Evren Awanan and Pablo Gibbs. Uy, kapatid ba to ni Kapatid kaya to ni Jano Gibbs. Alright. Oh, actually may greeting siya. Ito sabi niyo, magandang gabi po DJ Tommy G. Nanonood po ako sa inyo sa inyo ng Radyo Bandera. Ibig sabihin sa Radyo Bandera 107.1. Pwede ko sana ER number ko. DJ Tommy G, ngayon lang po sana. Okay. Ano to? ER? Ano ibig sabihin ng ER? Emergency room? ER yung number ko. Baka i-air, ibig niya sabihin, Actually, paring Pablo Gibbs. Yes. Protocol ng mga radio station. Hindi natin basta-basta ina-announce yung mga number ng mga citizenry. ng mga kababayan natin. Alam mo kung bakit? I'll give you an example. May nangyari. Nangyari to totoo. Ganito, similar sa'yo, nagpapa-air ng number, babae. Noon, hindi pa mahigpit noon eh. Di in-air, di ba? O, di ba yung mga nag-text sa kanya? Ang dami naging textmate. Kaya lang, isa sa mga naging textmate niya, alam niyo yun, yung binola-bola siya, siya, hanggang sa mag-meet up na sila. Ayun, may masamang nangyari doon sa babae. Napahama. Kaya simula noon, parang naging protocol na sa mga radio na di ba? Alam ko, naririnig mo, nag-a-announce kami ng numbers. Ang ina-announce namin numbers, yung numbers namin. Tsaka yung numbers para sa public service. Halimbawa, may nawawalang bata, may nawawalang tao, may panawagan sa ninakawan, kung sino man yung nakakita sa ninakaw na ganito, ganon, paki-contact yung ganito, ganon. Yun lang, yung mga confirmed. Yan, with confirmed info na number, na cellphone number. Ayan, okay? So, paring Pablo Gibbs. There you go. Pinaliwanag ko, no? Pero anyway, naka-post na rin naman. Pinost mo na rin naman sa Facebook page natin eh. Pero yeah. Happy listening sa'yo, paring Pablo Gibbs, ha? Let me know. Reply ka nga. Kamag-anak mo ba si Jano Gibbs? May pagkakahawig kayo. Artistahin, pare. Jano Gibbs. Kapatid ni may kapatid na Bombay yan si Jano Gibbs. Alam mo yun? Bombay pare si Two Gibbs. Time now for a couple of great news. Wow, great news. Bago ko ibigay yung great news, unahin na muna natin yung mga imbitasyon sa atin ng SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ayan, para magstay pa kayo dyan. I promise, nakakatuwa yung inyo news ko sa inyo na great news. Sabi ko nga great news eh. Nakakatuwa talaga. Promise! Okay, pinapangako ko sa inyo, sumpa man. Okay, so invites muna coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Pero congratulations muna ulit SM Central sa kanilang matagumpay na 3-day sale. It's the SM 3-day sale up to 70% off on Great Finds. Narinig niyo ba 'yon doon sa SM Central, di ba? Yeah, ako 'yun. Yeah, aside from being a DJ, isa rin akong voice talent nga ng mga commercials, radio commercial. Ayan. Isa na nga yung ginagawa ko, yan. It's the SM 3-day sale. Kaya lang minsan nakakalimutan ko i-off yan. Kagaya kaninang umaga, nasa palengke ako, nakakalimutan ko i-off yan. Sabi ko, Ale, magkanong itlog mo? Up to 70% off. Sabi nung ay, lugi kuya, 70% off. Minsan nag-aaway kami ni Mahal, di uwi ako, inumaga ako na uwi. Ayaw buksan yung, Mahal, buksan mo ang pinto, di na ako uulit. Promise. Sabi ni Mahal, sige, bubuksan ko, pero 70% lang. O siya, ito na. Time for the invites. Towns of the month for SM City, Olongapo Central is Kabanggan and Iba. Uy, taga dyan yung ate ko sa Iba, no? Magkatabi lang yan, Kabanggan sa Iba, no? Alright, so mga taga-Iba, mga taga-Kabanggan, present your ID at SM City Olongapo Central and you will get exclusive deals from your favorite stores. At SM Central to ha, sa Central. Ayan. Kung taga-Iba or Kabanggan ka, doon ka dumiretso sa Iba, Zambales. I mean sa Iba, Zambales. Sa SM Central. Yan, they got special deals for you guys, okay? And the best gifts for the holiday is the SM gift cards. Give joy that feels personal this holiday season. Skip the guessing and give them the freedom to choose what they truly want. Ay, nako, oo. The best. Oh, I'm a testament to that. Diba? Pag nagbibigay ako ng gift, mas maganda yung gift card na. Bahala na sila mamili, di ba? Minsan bibili ka, hindi magugustuhan. Kagaya nung yung kaibigan ko. Binilhan ko ng blouse. Kulay pink pa, ang ganda-ganda. Nagalit. Para yun lang nagalit. Nakulo ko to si Baldo na to eh. Binigyan ko na nga ng regalong blouse eh. Ang ganda pa ng kulay pink. Sabi niya, Tommy, pink is not my color. At saka lalaki ako eh. Check out the Food Fest at SM. Get ready, foodies, from your ultimate food guide and must-read Food Fest. Listicles. Listicles. To the trendiest bites at the food market. SM Supermalls is serving a feast you can't miss. Get first dibs on the best promos and food treats via SM Malls online, okay? Start your food journey at the Foodie Snap Village and strike a pose before discovering new food spots. Then cap it off by singing along at Eats and Beats. Uy, may singing along pa ha. Ayan, so check it out, the Food Fest at SM. Ay, gusto ko to. Oh, di ba? May kainan, may food market, may treats. I'm a foodie. Tapos may Eats and Beats pa, kantahan, Parang bidyokehan to, no? Yeah, let's all visit that, okay? And Granny and Apo Fun at SM. All right, check it out. The Grandparents' Day. Let's give Lolo and Lola the celebration they deserve, the SM way. From mall walks and fitness fun to sweet dates and family bonding to dance-offs, okay? Also sing along with the Apos. Every moment is made extra special at SM Supermalls because here every laugh, every hug, and every cuento with our grandparents turns into a memory you'll treasure forever. So celebrate Grandparents' Day at SM Supermalls where happiness happens every day. The Our Home pre-holiday sale up to 80% off plus additional 10% off for the whole month of September. Our Home is located at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. And the Mulak Bakery promo, Super 40 Super Giveaway. Burmonths are here. We're celebrating SM's 40th Super Years with a cheesy treat from Mulak Bakery. 8 lucky winners will enjoy 1 box of cheese roll, 1 rice meal of choice, plus 400 cash voucher valid for Ensaymada purchases only. All right? And redeemable at any Mulak Ensaymada SM branch until September 9, 2025. SM City Olongapo Downtown's Company of the Month is Dashan Shoes. Grab exclusive deals and discounts from participating tenants at SM City Olongapo Downtown. September 1 to 30, bring your Dashan Shoes employees ID, okay? And the SM Home Smacktastic Sale. Attention Smack and Smack Prestige members. Get your Smack and Smack Prestige cards ready for the much-awaited SM Home Smacktastic Home Sale. For one day only, enjoy up to 50% off on must-have home finds plus an extra 10% off on all items only for Smack and Smack Prestige holders. September 15 only. So mark your calendars. One day only, September 15 only. Now showing at SM Cinemas, Conjuring The Last Rite. So buy your tickets now. Conjuring Last Rites open September 3. Bukas na po, ha? So you guys hurry. It will be showing at SM City Olongapo Central Cinema. And the Super Spelling Bee will be happening September 20, Saturday, 10 a.m. at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. What's in store? College scholarships, laptops, and school supplies, up to 50% pesos worth of cash and gift certificates. So register now via SM Malls online or visit the SM City Olongapo Central admin office to register. And aside from the Super Spelling Bee, ayan, nawala yung listahan ko. Wait a minute, kaping mainit. Yeah. So you guys stand by, ha? I got great news pa for everybody, lalong-lalo na yung mga tropa natin ng mga batang gapo. Naku, matutuwa kayo, ha? Okay. The Towns of the Month din. Meron ding Towns of the Month, of course, ang Tom's World for the month of September. It's gonna be for September 1 to 30, Iba and Santa Cruz. Ayan. So, visit Tom's World at the 4th level of SM City Olongapo Central and bring your ID. Kailangan present nyo yung ID nyo, ha? ID that says you are from Iba or Santa Cruz. Yan dalawa, Towns of the Month. At Tom's World, mayroon kayong free gift. Hindi ko sasabihin ko na yung free gift. Surprise! Subaru is on display up until September. Ngayon lang to, no? Wala na. Okay, kanina. Yeah. All right. And Vibes Massage parking treats, all day 20% discount. So present your same day parking ticket and get exclusive discounts on any of our massage services. Vibes Massage is at SM City Olongapo, downtown, level 3. Also, ramen lovers, watch out for QQ Ramen. Coming soon at SM City Olongapo, downtown, starts at only 99 pesos. QQ Authentic Ramen. And lastly, pay your bills every day. Proceed to the second floor near stationary bills payment counter at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Mga government bills ninyo, yung sa NBI, sa SSS, PhilHealth, LTO, and a whole lot more. Pay your government bills every day at the SM City Olongapo Downtown, second floor. Alright, so those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Here's an invitation coming from our friends at SBMA Ecology Center. Come one, come all to the 2025 Subic Bay Coastal Cleanup Activity happening on September 5, 2025. Uy, malapit na. It's gonna be this Friday, no? 7 a.m. Okay? So, this is part of the BI Dagat Tapat Ko Linis Ko, September 5. Once again, 7 a.m. program venue at the Boardwalk area. May program pa, ha? Okay, so you guys join us. You're all invited. Mark your calendar, September 5 po. Everybody can join, 7 a.m. The Subic Bay Coastal Cleanup. And also, aside from that, you're also invited to the Saturday recycling schedule of the SBMA Ecology. Yung next na gagawin is September 6 at Biniktikan. Ayan, okay? Biniktikan, yung every Saturday to, merong Saturday recycling schedule. September 13 at Kalayaan, September 20 at QB. Okay? So, what to bring? Recyclables waste, yung mga used beverage cartons, PET bottles, glass bottles, papers, sachets. Even sachets, ha? Online shopping package. Kasama na yun ngayon. Sa dami ng umorder online. Single-use plastics, aluminum cans, used clothing, pwede rin. Used shoes, used rubber slippers, used tarpaulins, pwede rin. Ayan, okay? So, see you at the vacant lot beside the Kalayaan Gobstopper. Doon gaganapin pag sa Kalayaan, no? Okay? So, there you go. For Biniktikan, doon din ba? For Biniktikan. Doon na, no? Doon na yata lagi, no? Ang ating tagpuan or location, the vacant lot beside Kalayaan Gobstopper. For all Biniktikan residents ito, okay? Pero for those who wanna bring their waste, pwede rin naman, ha? Okay? So join us, Subic Bay Freeport residential areas for the month of September. Recyclables collection in partnership with Fuji Trading and Tetra Pak Philippines. Bring your your recyclables. Okay, so there you go. Ito na yung masarap na news na sasabihin ko sa inyo, sabi ko kanina, no? Great news for you guys. Naku, nakakatuwa itong dalawang bebe natin to. Bebe ng Olongapo. Ayan. Congratulations kila Elisha Claire Franco. Ayan. Bebe number 1. Bebe number 2 si Sheena Jillian Chua T. Okay, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Bakit? Dahil ito lang naman ang naibigay nilang karangalan para sa Olongapo. Ayan. Unahin natin si Elisha Claire Franco, no? You know, representing Olongapo City with pride and excellence, Elisha Claire Franco shines bright at the 8th Asia Pacific Cup International Rhythmic Gymnastics. Oh, yun na, International Rhythmic Gymnastics Asia Pacific Cup Tournament held in Hong Kong August 7 to 10. Yan. Medyo matagal na, no? Pero ngayon lang kasi nakapost eh. Ngayon ko lang nakita sa sa Olongapo Info Center page, no? Olongapo is proud of your achievements sa hoops. Meron kasing sa rhythmic gymnastics, merong hoop, merong freehand, merong overall. Okay? Yung bronze ang nakuha niya sa hoops. Okay? 4th place naman sa freehand. Among all the Asia Pacific competitors to, ha? Di ba? Okay? And she is 3rd place overall. Pero gold overall sa category B. Ayan, okay? And yung isa naman, si Sheena Jillian Chua T. She competed in the under 11 years of age, meaning under 11 category A. Sheena secured a gold in IAA, meaning individual all around. Wow! Okay? She also secured a gold in freehand, in the rope gymnastics, rhythmic gymnastics, and gold pa rin in the ball gymnastics. Wow, galing-galing naman. Congratulations kay Sheena and Elisha. Elisha Claire Franco, Sheena Jillian Chua T. Congratulations sa inyo. Your city is proud of you, proud of your passion, grace, and excellence on the world stage. And keep reaching for your dreams, Sheena. Okay? So, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Nandito lang ako lagi sa inyo, nakasuporta. Taga-announce. Yun lang kaya ko suporta, wala akong pera. Sila Mayor Lunch na bahala. Ayan, again, from all of us, your Olongapeño kababayans, and from the Mayor, of course, our dear Mayor, Attorney Roden C. Paulino Jr., and the City Sports and Youth Development Office. Mabuhay ka, Batang Gapo, Batang Olongapo. Congratulations! Ang galing-galing naman, nakaka-proud, no? Galing-galing ng mga to. And they're young, ha? They're young. They will improve some more, di ba? They'll grow up and mag-i-improve pa yung kanilang craft, yung kanilang skills, yung kanilang talent. That's the good thing about it. That's a good part, right? Okay? So there you have it. Once again, congratulations, Sheena Jillian Chua T. Okay? And Elisha Claire Franco. Kaano kaya ni Ninong, yung dating Ninong ko yun si Ninong Ben Franco, no? Benjamin Franco, the former barangay captain of Barangay East Tapinac, sabi ng mga American. East Tapinac. Tapos sa Banikain naman, Barangay Banicain. Yan, yung pronunciation nila noon, Banicain, Tapinac. West Bajak. Nakakatuwa, no, nung may US military base pa rito noon. Kaya ako hindi sa pagayabang. I grew up speaking English. Kaya if you notice, pag nagbabalita ako ng Tagalog, parang medyo nagbabalbaluktot, no? Nagkakanda-buhol-buhol yung dila ako, no? Yeah, I grew up speaking English kasi I grew up in a time wherein Olongapo City is home pa ng the US 4th Fleet Navy. Subic Bay Freeport used to be the home of the 4th Fleet of the US Navy. Kaya I grew up among English-speaking kids. Totoo, it's true. I'm not kidding. Oh, mahirap lang kami. Barong-barong lang yung bahay namin. Pero nag-i-English ako. Di ba? Lupit, di ba? Tsaka yung mga napapanood ko kasing cartoons noon, it was from FEN, the Far East Network. Nadala-dala rin ng mga Amerikano na napapanood sa Olongapo. Ayan, Far East Network. Pinapanood ko noon yung mga cartoons like Mr. Magoo, Super 6, Justice, League of Justice, or Justice League. Yan. Sila Superman, sila Batman. Isa sa paborito ko noon na hindi kilala ng mga batang millennials or mga bata ngayon, si El Cabong. Para siyang kabayo siya na karakter na nagiging superhero. Nagsusuot lang siya ng maskara. Tapos ang weapon niya, acoustic guitar, hinahampas niya sa ulo. Ng mga bad guys. Pag nagtatransport siya, sisigaw siya, El Cabong! Ganon. So that is why. Ayan, okay? So, when this was the home of the US Navy pa noon, marami tayong growing up, marami tayong kapitbahay na kids ng American service personnel, di ba? Nag-i-English sila. So, pati tayo natuto mag-English. Kaya pag uwi ko, one time, umuwi ako ng bahay, sabi ko, Mom! Dad! What's for dinner? Tuyo! Oh, I love that! Tapos sasabihin na ko, hoy, laban mo nga yung mga damit mo doon. One time, nanonood kami ng horror movie, sabi ng nanay ko, takbo, ayan na yung werewolf. Yeah, she grew up in the Visayas kasi kaya ganoon. Alam mo, hirap pag yung parents mo laking province, tapos ini-impose nila sa iyo yung mga lumang kasabihan, yung mga nakasanayan, di ba? Alam niyo yun, familiar kayo, di ba? Sa mga old timers, bawal maggupit ng kuko sa gabi. Alam ko narinig niyo na yan probably. Bawal daw maggupit yung nail cutter, di ba? Ng kuko sa gabi. Pero sinabi ba sa inyo yung reason? Sa akin, kompleto detalye. Sinabi yung reason ng nanay ko, sabi niya gano'n, bawal maggupit ng kuko sa gabi, mag-nail cutter, dahil mamamatay ang magulang mo. Sabi ko, ano yan? Anong kinalaman naman nung kuko ko sa magulang? Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Gugupitin ko yung kuko ko, tingnan mo. Ginupit ko sa harap niya. May nangyari ba sa'yo? Wala nangyari, di ba? Sa akin may nangyari. Hinambalos yung ulo ko. Nakakatuwa yung mga ganun, yung pamahiin na, kalain mo, pag nagupit ka rin ng kuko sa gabi, mamamatay yung magulang mo. Layo, May isa pa silang nakakatawa na kaugalian. One time may pinsan akong namatay, si Kuya Mario. Ayun, matagal na. Kuya Mario, naalala ko tuloy bigla, I miss you, Kuya Mario. Burol sa amin. Pag nasa burol ka pala, sabi ng nanay ko, huwag ka nga hatching. Nalaman namin yun the hard way. Humatching kasi ako, bigla akong binatukan. Sabi niya, bawal humatching sa lamay. Kailangan daw lumabas ka, lumayo ka. Kasi yung paghatching mo, senyalis daw yun na niyayaya ka na sumunod nung nakaburol. Tapos yung batok pala, yung pagbonyat niya sa akin, may kinalaman pa rin, may relate pa rin. Yun daw yung pangontra para wag matuloy na isama ka. Nung namatay. So mula nun, para makakonyat, nagbantay ako kung sino yung next na hatching Tsaka ano pa ba? Yung nakagawian pag nagwalis, parang winawalis mo yung swerte sa gabi. Kaya wag magwawalis, parang ganoon. Bawal din magwalis sa burol. Bawal din magwalis sa gabi kahit walang burol. Yung pagwawalis daw sa gabi, pinapalayas mo raw yung swerte, parang ganoon. Pambihira, Ang hirap pala ng buhay natin noon, na kada galaw mo disusi kasi may katumbas na bawal. Nakakatawa rin yung kasabihan nila, yung pag nalaglag yung kutsara, yung tinidor, 'di ba? May bisita babae, lalaki. Yung kapatid naming bunso noon, maliit pa siya. Narinig niya 'yon. Pag nung nahulog yung kutsara, sabi nung ate ko, tsaka nung nanay ko, may bisita. Ano ba yung kutsara? Babae, Nahulog yung tinidor. May bisita! So, akala ng kapatid namin bunso, kada may malalaglag, may bisita. Di ba? Nalaglag yung takip ng kaldero. Sabi ng bunso, may bisita. Tapos, Yung kuya niya, yung isang kapatid ko, nalaglag sa kinauupuan. Sabi niya, may bisita. Nahulog, syunga-syunga sa pagkakaupo. Sabi ni Bunso, may bisita. Okay, so yeah, that's it for me. Time is up for this edition of this radio show. Time is up. Maraming salamat for keeping me company. Thank you guys for joining me. I had fun. That was fun. Okay. Before I say goodbye, let me check muna. Baka may mga kumakausap pa sa atin sa live streaming. Hindi ko pinapansin. Sabihin, nabero tayo. Yeah. Okay, si Pablo Gibbs. Ayun, sabi niya, pa-play naman. Okay. No problem, Pablo Gibbs. Pero we're happy you're there. Ano yung request mo? Fallen ni Jano Gibbs. Sabi ko na kamag-anak talaga ni Jano Gibbs eh. Gwapo rin eh, no? Sige. Lalagay natin yun as the last song. Yan. Again, thank you Pablo Gibbs for tuning in. First time mo ba? Ngayon lang kita nakita dyan eh, no? Okay, but anyways, yeah. Again, maraming salamat for keeping me company. Catch me again tomorrow. Same time, same place, same frequency, same radio station. Only here, 107.1 News FM, Olongapo. Okay, Radyo Bandera. And here's my final song for you guys. The Jano Gibbs song. Request ni paring Pablo. Ito na yung song ng kuya mo, si paring Jano Gibbs. This is Fallen. And with this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Bye for now. Kita-kits bukas ha. Bye-bye.